Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can assign ringtone to contact on your Motorola Edge 40. To do this, we have to open the phone dialer at the first. Next, we have to go from the favorites or recents to the contacts on the right bottom corner and then pick one of it. Right now, click on the three dots in the right upper corner, then click to set the ringtone. As you can see, we can pick some default ringtones, but when you click on Add Ringtone, we will be moved for this recent files. When you click on the three lines in the left upper corner, we can go for the audio files or for the downloads, where we can pick our custom sound. And then we can click OK to set it up. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Hope you like it.